the second time that we've hosted it here at Jabil. It's just such a great event to bring together the entire Silicon Valley robotics community in one spot. Give us a chance to really create those networks and those ecosystems, and ultimately out of that, Jabil gets better products, better solutions for us to deploy into our factories.
A great video game is easy to pick up but hard to master, and we think technology should be the same thing. So, we live in the golden age of DIY technologies. There's Raspberry Pi, there's open source, there's Arduino, and we're like, let's just start with the stuff that's already out there. It's super, like a Raspberry Pi costs like 30 bucks. The code's amazing. The communities are massive. They're taught in schools. Let's just take the stuff you already have in your home, crappy RC toy, a Raspberry Pi that is probably sitting around, some code you can download off the internet, and let's give you a sort of a full autonomous car, proper computer vision experience right now in your living room this weekend.
I think with respect to fostering the next generation of talents, we really need to motivate the young generation to get into science, technology, engineering, and math. Manufacturing certainly is a big component of that in terms of the economy. But getting kids excited about automation, robotics, not just as a toy, but as a solution to very tough business and technology problems and situations. So these events are very welcome by us. We even invite schools and research and development centers to come and visit us at ABB headquarters, very close to the San Jose Mineta Airport, and we can do a more in-depth presentation and answer your questions as well. But we really welcome this great event, and we encourage more schools to participate, more colleges to participate. We've had people from Stanford stopping by today, from UCSC, and also the local schools.
We were here last year. We got a lot of actually great user feedback here last year. So we had our previous design here last year, and a lot of the feedback we got, we implemented in this current design. We had a lot of because this is a great opportunity just to get kids to react to it and play with it. There's a lot of features you go, oh, this would be a great idea. You see a kid trying to do something, and it's like, well, we haven't done that yet. So that's a good thing to try out.
As you can see, this is the future, right? And these technologies are going to be definitely important in the near future. And so I even have my own kids involved in robotics. They're here today. They take robotics classes, and they're learning, simple coding programs. And I think it's very important for parents to keep their kids involved.
I'm very fortunate to be working at a company that has a woman CEO. I brought my daughter in a few weeks ago because I was doing some work testing on the weekend, that kind of thing, and she got to meet Melanie. She's 9 years old, and 2 days later she said, when I grow up, I want to build robots. And that kind of influence is just amazing to see, the kind of impact it can have on kids. I'm really glad to see kids here, and they have lots of great questions, like, how fast does it go, and is it going to stop in front of, if I get too close to it, and that kind of thing.
This is my 8th year actually at the Robot Block Party. I've come here with the PR2, which is a $400,000 robot. I used to also bring it to the Tech Museum teaching kids how to program.
The robots are cool.